Welcome back, fellow space explorers. Today, we're diving into some stellar news. An update for our trusty Voyager software is here. Whether you're charting new frontiers or navigating the vast cosmos of data, Voyager has always been our steadfast companion. And now, with this latest update, it's even more powerful than ever before. Let's take a look at what's under the hood. First up, we have enhanced navigation capabilities. Say goodbye to getting lost in the void of information. Voyager's new navigation system makes it easier than ever to pinpoint exactly where you need to go, whether you're exploring distant galaxies or diving deep into your data. But that's not all. Voyager's communication module has also received a boost. With improved data transmission speeds, you'll be able to share your findings with your crewmates in record time. No more waiting around for files to transfer. Now, you can collaborate seamlessly, no matter where your adventures take you. And for all you astrophotography enthusiasts out there, you're in for a treat. Voyager's image processing algorithms have been fine-tuned to capture even the most breathtaking cosmic vistas with stunning clarity. Get ready to capture the beauty of the cosmos like never before. Of course, these are just a few highlights of what this update has to offer. From improved performance to enhanced security features, Voyager continues to push the boundaries of exploration and discovery. So, fellow adventurers, what are you waiting for? It's time to strap in and embark on the next chapter of our journey with Voyager by our side. Until next time, safe travels among the stars. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like this video. Comment below if you want to see any specific science